Hello guys, I'm Frankness. I'm back today with another video. So today we want to talk about how to add shapefiles into your QGIS. So the shapefiles that I have, I've made them with ArcGIS, but I want to make sure we can also open them with QGIS. So this is what we're going to be talking about in today's tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel such that every time I drop a video you get notified. So let me jump straight into today's tutorial. So I have QGIS on the screen and I would like to add a couple of shapefiles here. So what you do is you go to the folder where your shapefiles are. So let me go to this folder. So I do have a booster shapefile, the boundary, the Greenland, the manhole, the road, the shed, quite a number of shapefiles. So to add these shapefiles into your QGIS, you simply double click the shapefile. So let's wait. Here it appears. So these are the boosters shapefile. You see it appears in the layers section. So I've added one shapefile. So let me add the boundary. So here it appears the boundary. You can see the boundary there. Let me add the rest of the shapefiles. So I do have Greenland there, manhole, roads, shed, tank, so I now have quite a number of shapefiles added into my QGIS. So like we said before, this is where you get to select or deselect a layer. So you can deselect all other layers. Probably you want to deal with trees only. So these are my trees. This is the data that we have collected, and it shows point features. So these are trees. So now you can customize these point features to look what you want them to look. So you go to properties, then from there you can do quite a number of processes. Let's look at the symbology. So you can select the symbols that you want your trees to look like. So let's say we want our tree to look like sort of a triangle. You can select this one. Let's click apply, then OK. So you see, so we have customized our tree shapefile. So this is what they look like now. So you can show them in a map as triangles, so whatever you want them to look like. So in this case I'm just demonstrating how you can change the symbols for your shapefile. So let's look at the Greenland. So select the Greenland. So we don't want this color, so let's change this color. Simply go to properties, then we want it to look like a Greenland for sure. So we do have plenty of symbols there, but let's select let's say this one. So click apply, then OK. So you see it changes the appearance. It's now looking like a Greenland for sure. So this is how you customize your shapefiles once you have added them to your QGIS. So you can do the rest with the other shapefiles there. You can change the colors, you can change whatever you like. So you can also name, you show the names of these shapefiles. Let me show you how. So if you want to display the names, you go to, let's say for boosters, then you go to the attribute table. You see the ID there is 0. We don't have the names for each booster. But if you want, if I had names for this field called ID, To label, you go to boosters, then properties, so then you go to labels. If we select ID there, it's going to display what is in the ID field. So if I click apply, then okay, you see the zeros appear. So these are labels for our boosters, but if I had a real name for these boosters, they would appear just like these zeros. So this is how you can name your shapefiles in QGIS. So that's it for today, guys. We've learned how to add shapefiles into your QGIS. In our next tutorial, we'll be talking about digitizing. So we are going to load point data, then we start digitizing to create shapefiles like these ones. So check out my next video on how to digitize using QGIS. And please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later.